Alright guys, I'm cooking a goat. This is the first time I'm doing it. So this is my, I don't really know what I'm doing since this is the first time I'm doing it, but this is my fire pit. It's getting a little hot, so I scraped some of the coals away. But see, it's cooking away. I'm basting it every 30 minutes with this herb, vinegar, salt mixture. Alright guys, so here's the update. We just flipped it and basted it again. It's cooking right along, looking pretty good. Cooked it for 2 hours and then flipped it because it was looking pretty done on this side. Got the pineapples cooking, hanging. We got the pineapple glaze. We got onions cooking. And we got squash in there. The goat's pretty much done, just staying warm.